gonna go that way real quick. Folks, I'm gonna head towards you, okay? You guys are tall enough to look over my shoulder to see the whole show. You good with that? Sir, are you good with that? If you're not good with that, you can drag the 500-pounder out. All right, he's good with that. All right, here we go. All right. Now, I'm not hurting the alligator. He is hurting my back. This guy weighs over 300 pounds. I'm not going to tell you how much I weigh, but he outweighs me.
Yeah, okay.
It's nobody's business how much I weigh, right? All right. Now, back in the day, it would normally take 2 to 3 people to capture an alligator this big. One person did all the jumping around, all the risk taking. The other person would come up, tie a rope around the gator's mouth. They'd have a caught gator. The only problem with this is that now you had to split the meat and sell the hide 50-50 with the guy that carried the rope for you. This was not fair. So one day a lonesome hunter invented a technique we call bulldogging. That's where you hold the alligator's mouth shut between your chin and your chest, allowing your own hands free to tie the gator's mouth. Now I'm gonna try this. How many times am I gonna try it?
Once.
Once. I'm a volunteer. No insurance. All right, here we go. Thanks. Here we go, guys. It's called the bulldog.
Whoa.